What are you, nuts? Are you kidding me? Did anybody see what happened yesterday? And there was no explanations. Pre-market, the market went up 1,000 points after they came out and said that the CPI dropped from 7.3 to 7.1. My God, you'd think they said it dropped from 7.3 to 0. Market rallies 1,000 points. Wow, White House got very nervous. One day before, the Fed is supposed to drop rates from 75 basis points to 50. Man, you don't want the market going up 1,000 points. Couple that with last week. Yeah, everybody's talking about the CPI, but how about last week, the PPI? The wholesale prices shot up. Also, what about the job numbers? Came in hotter than they're supposed to, 265,000 jobs. Remember, for the Fed to drop interest rates, they don't want to see a market go up 1,000 points in 1 hour. They don't want to see wholesale prices going up. That's the last thing they want to see. And they certainly don't want you to have a job. Jobs go to 265,000. They want to see jobs come in like 125,000. So all of those three things yesterday were happening, and the White House had a set of kittens. They saw this whole drop from 75 to 55 basis point coming off the track. Are you kidding? The wheels were coming off the car. So here's what they do. They bring in what they call the plunger team. What's the plunger team? The plunger team was made up by Reagan. The plunger team is the President of the United States, the chairman of the Commodities Future Trading Commission, the Fed of the chair, the chair of the SEC. So you got all the chairs plus the president, and they make a decision anytime there's an erratic move in the market. They'll fix it. They'll either move it higher or move it lower. Now, do you ever notice any morning, like at night, let's say the market closed down 500, next morning you wake up and it says pre-market, market's up 55 or 100. You go, how the hell that happened? Well, it's the same thing they did yesterday. They go in and they rig the futures market. That's right, they rigged the futures market. And that's what they did. And that's why you saw the bond market yesterday all of a sudden drop, okay, and yields went up. And that's what took the 1,000-point rally down to negative, okay, and then closed out about 100 points yesterday. So that's what happened. So they're manipulating the market. And that's why here at Phil's Gang, I always tell my members, the day that you could depend on information that's coming in called fundamentals are gone, because you got to watch what the money is doing. That's what we do. Whether our gold stocks, our bank stocks, we watch the money. We don't care about fundamentals. And the one thing we did design, and you're more than welcome to take a look at this if you want, this is my color-coded chart. It took us 6 years to design this. It's patented. And it tells you when to sell short, tells you when to buy by the color code. Red, as long as you're in the sweet spot, you sell short. Green, you buy in the sweet spot. Sell in the sweet spot, buy. Red, sell. Green, buy. Check it out. It's free for 10 days. Go to my site, philsgang.com. You can join my gang for 10 days, and you have access to everything for 10 days. At the end of 10 days, if you want to stay with us, fine. If you don't, that's okay. Just if you're learning how to sell short from us, okay, please help St. Jude. You make a little bit of money. How's that? I think it's a fair deal, don't you? Okay, that's about it. So today what we're going to see is a little volatility, not much this morning going on. The volatility will come this afternoon when they make that decision. Are they going to raise or lower rates? We know they're going to lower the rates. It's already in the market. Remember, when they make the announcement, when the market moves, the first move is usually wrong. So if the market moves up, it's usually wrong. It'll move back down, or vice versa. So never chase a move in any announcement like that, okay? Join my gang, philsgang.com, free for 10 days. I'll see you on the charts.